Hi guys, so this will be a video about the new feature that I've launched on my channel. It is called memberships, where you can join the channel. So that's something separate to being a subscriber. And what a membership is, it's a monthly subscription, monthly paid subscription, in which in return for your subscription and support, you get perks. For those of you who have been asking me for a hair update on my hair, I did post a picture on my social media and on YouTube of what my hair looks like currently. So I'm not gonna get into it in this video, but you can go to my social media, or I do have hair videos coming up of my hair. So you can stay tuned for that to see what is up under these braids, what's going on. But right now I have braids in. I did these myself and I curled the ends just to give it a little different look. But anyway, let's get into this video. The main reason I launched the membership feature is that I have a lot of people who want more. I have my standard videos that I post, and I post on my own schedule. Really, I'm not one of those YouTubers that when I first started I wanted to have a schedule, but I'm one of those YouTubers, I let my inspiration drive what I do. So if I'm not inspired, I'm not gonna do it. So with that being said, I have a lot of people who are subscribed to me or are interested in what I do in terms of locks and all of that, and they want more. They don't want just the standard videos. They don't want a video once a month or whatever. They want more. They want videos that are more detailed. So this is an opportunity to get that. Because with the memberships, you can gauge what you want to see. You can gauge what it is that I am putting out for you. I will still post my standard videos. I will still post my hair journey, hair updates, things of that nature, hairstyles. I will still do what I'm doing now. However, I wanted to do more because a lot of you ask for more. So, for example, with the basic membership, you'll be able to view member-only content. And member-only content will consist of really slowed down, detailed 101 videos of locks. Anything dealing with locks, washing, retwisting, repairing, things of that nature will be in the membership videos. I'll still post videos like of those things for subscribers. However, videos that are more geared toward someone actually learning what I'm doing, that will be members only. Videos that are more detailed, more slowed down, that take more work to record and upload, those will be members only. And every level of membership will be able to see my membership videos. However, the perks are different for each level. So the perks range from requesting a video to requesting a video to having a consultation via Skype to just having me take a look at your locks. A lot of people want advice, and I can't really do that in the comments because I don't know what your hair looks like. I don't know what's going on. We haven't really sat down and spoken to each other, so it's really hard to give because locks are really personalized. One person doesn't have the same set of locks as the next person, so I can't really give a blanket. Some things are general, some things are very applicable to everyone, but a lot of things are not. So that's one thing that's offered. I believe the highest level of membership, you get discounts on services. If you decide to book me for anything, you get discounts on my merchandise, my lock tools, t-shirts, anything like that. You also get to Skype me or have online lessons on whatever you want, whether it be lock extensions, anything else like that. There's a lot of different perks. I sat one night and listed all of them and created the details in the membership features. So it's a lot of perks that are accessible through membership. If you guys are interested, if you have an Apple phone, you may not be able to see the join button on the app, so you will have to go to the browser to see the join button, and that will give you all the details you need to see. to make a decision whether you want to be a monthly member of this channel. And once again, this is not required. I will still be posting videos that if you are a subscriber or not a subscriber, you're still going to be able to see it, but I will also be posting for my members as well. I got a few emails already because I mentioned it in my last video. Got a few emails already of people asking how, because they could not find it, and I believe it's because you have to go to your browser, especially if you have an Apple smartphone. You have to go to the browser, or you have to get on your computer and do it that way. And that is it. If you guys have any more questions about the membership and how it works and all of that, put it in the comments and I'll probably make a response video, or I'll just go live. I rarely go live, so I'm getting in the habit of going live more often. So membership is just one thing that's new to this channel. Okay, I'm appreciative of people who just watch the video, even if you don't subscribe. I love it when I get new subscribers, but even if you just watch the video, I'm appreciative. Even if you watched the video and left a dumb comment, you still watched it. So but yes, thank you guys so much for all the support. Thank you for those of you who reach out to me when you don't see me on social media for a certain period of time. You'll reach out and say, hey, are you okay? I think that's really nice, and that it shows that you guys care more than just watching me on YouTube. I think that's really dope. But I'm just a creative. I'm a weird individual in a way. I don't fit into any box. You won't see me on social media trying to, you know, fit where I don't fit in, because I'm just myself, and I do what makes my soul happy. And making videos really became one of those things, and I really seriously did not think it was going to be. I thought I was just making videos for myself, and here we are. And regardless whether I have locks or not, or I'm rocking braids, whatever I'm rocking, I've always been a creative way before you guys met me on YouTube. As you guys, I posted somebody who called me mentally ill because I keep changing my hair, and I said before locks, I used to change my hair every 2 weeks. They should have been locked me up every 2 weeks. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will make a whole other video explaining the perks even further, explaining how to redeem your perks for my members, and it'll be a member only video, of course, because I want you guys to be knowledgeable on how to redeem your perks. I don't want you to, you know, be in the dark about, okay, I'm a member now, so how do I'm gonna make a whole video on how you can redeem the perks depending on your level of membership. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for more videos. I have hair videos of my hair coming up as well. See you next time.